Okay, when you use the mat cutter, you have to determine what side you want to actually face the audience when they're looking at your mat. In this case, I want the black, so the black side actually goes down when you're cutting. Please remember to do that, otherwise you'll be using the reverse side and won't get the mat you want. The mat is set up, the cutter is set up to have 3 guides. There's a guide on the left. Notice it says set the scale here, and you see it set to 2 inches. If you need to change this, you simply loosen up these bolts with your fingers, push them down, and then slide back and forth to get this scale set to the dimension that you want your mat to be. In this case, we're doing 2-inch borders all the way around. Then, the second scale is here. Notice there's an arrow that points to this side. By loosening this knob and moving up and down, you set this side. I'm setting it to 2 inches, and I'm going to lock it in. Then you set the last scale. Again, there's an arrow indicating what side of this little piece to read from, and you move back and forth, and I'm setting this to 2 inches and turning to the right to lock it in. To cut, you lift up this arm, you slide your mat in facing down. Make sure you align to this side here and this side here. Lower the arm, and then on the edge you'll see a little stopper paddle. Press the paddle down and slide this back until it hits the edge of your mat. Then you cut. You push down with your 4 fingers and up with your thumb till it cuts all the way through the mat. Then you lift up the plunger and you pull back until it stops. Lift it up, lift the arm, turn your mat 1/4 of a turn, drop it down, slide forward, push the plunger down, pull back till it stops, cut, lift, pull, and repeat this same process 2 more times. Moving all the way around, being careful to align your board to the edges, cutting and pulling, and when you're done, the window gets cut. Stop.